In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best cordless rotary tool kit available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the cordless rotary tool kit list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the cordless rotary tool kit mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, SHANGSE SS GJ01 Rotary Tool Kit. The SHANGSE SS GJ01 cordless rotary tool is a compact, smart precision device powered by a 3.7V rechargeable battery. With 3 adjustable speed levels and 60 accessories included, it's ideal for grinding, polishing, and drilling on a variety of materials. Lightweight and user-friendly, it suits both beginners and hobbyists. Its cordless design ensures flexible operation, while the USB charging makes it travel-friendly. A great tool for precision tasks in tight spots or delicate crafts. Number 4, Worx WX106 Mini Rotary Tool. The Worx WX106 is a powerful 8V cordless rotary tool designed for engraving, polishing, and grinding. It features a variable speed setting, allowing users to adjust power based on the task. With USB charging and ergonomic design, it's convenient for both home and professional use. Although the battery is not included, its compatibility with standard battery types offers flexibility. The lightweight build and versatile functionality make it ideal for intricate DIY projects and repair jobs. Number 3, Creality Cordless Rotary Tool. The Creality Cordless Rotary Tool is a multifunctional device built with 6 variable speed settings and a long-lasting battery, making it ideal for 3D printer maintenance, polishing, and small repairs. Designed for precision and control, it's suitable for hobbyists and makers. This tool is compact yet powerful, offering great maneuverability in tight spaces. The build quality and customization options allow for detailed tasks like cleaning 3D printer nozzles or sanding delicate models. Number 2, ARROWMAX SGS Ultra Engraving Pen. The ARROWMAX SGS Ultra is a cordless rotary engraving pen designed for fine, detailed work on wood, metal, and glass. It features a built-in lithium battery and operates at speeds up to 30,000 RPM. The kit includes 42 bits, making it versatile for carving, grinding, and polishing. Compact and pen-shaped, it's easy to hold and control, especially for intricate designs. With CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, it's a safe, high-performance tool for professional crafters and hobbyists alike. Number 1, VILASTING 26mm Brushless Drill. The VILASTING 26mm cordless brushless rotary hammer drill is a heavy-duty power tool built for serious DIYers and professionals. Compatible with Makita and DeWalt 18V batteries, it delivers up to 1680 W of power and 4,800 impacts per minute. With a no-load speed of 3,500 RPM and a max drilling diameter of 26mm, it can handle concrete, wood, and metal. Despite its strength, it features ergonomic controls and a rechargeable design, making it both powerful and convenient for demanding tasks.